Let's unbox and try out the Dewalt DCE555B, and this is a brushless drywall cutout tool. Let's go ahead and unbox it first, put it all together and test it out here. So we've got this is the version that comes without the battery. So the B is not with a battery. I don't know why it should be the regular DCE555 with battery and B without battery. I mean, it's kind of weird. Anyways, there it is. That's the actual tool itself. That's everything else in the box. So we've got these pieces right here. So let's have a look at the actual tool first so you guys can see. We've got some instructions on how to take that piece out. We can do that in a second, but that is the actual tool. And there it is from the bottom right there. But yeah, let's just let's go ahead and try it out here. What else does it come with? So we've got the two pieces right here, which we can use itself. That's a belt clip right there, so we can put the belt clip on the bottom, which is cool. I'm not going to be using that, so we'll put that aside for now. And let's go ahead and put these in. To install the bit, all you want to do is just insert it inside first, and then you want to hold down this button and push this button down, and you can see this button, it says unlock is up and to lock is down. So what we're going to do is we're going to press this button down, and then we're going to hold this and spin it down to lock. And you'll have to do it a couple times, and kind of every time you can grip around it and hold it down, just hold it down and you can spin it. And then once you get to the ending point, you'll feel it'll be a little bit more rigid. And there we go, it's a little bit more rigid now. And then if we feel the bit is perfectly locked inside. And then we can unscrew this part and we can raise that up a little bit. It actually might be easier if you had it raised up first, but that's okay. And then this is the part where you can adjust how much you want leverage and how much you're gonna cut. So that obviously it's not gonna cut much. So we wanna put it down, so unscrew it. And if we wanna cut just to that depth right there and we're good, we can just lock it in again. We'll go ahead and make sure that's all tight, make sure the drill bit's tight, make sure that's all locked down, and then we can insert our battery into it. So I've got a power stack battery. Let's go ahead and, there we go, battery is installed. We'll get this stuff out of the way right here, and then we can go ahead and we can see on the top, there's that trigger button right there. So if we hold that trigger down, that will activate the light, and there you go. Now it is on, it's cutting. You can see it stays on. And then when we want to turn it off, you just hold it down. So you don't have to hold the button down, which is really nice. We can just go ahead and we can see actually that there is that LED on there, and that LED light usually will stay on for 20 seconds even after you turn it off. But if we want to turn it on, we can just go ahead, we can press that button, and you can see how that is spinning, and it goes 25,000 RPM, which is crazy fast. So that's going to cut through your drywall really, really easily. And there we go. That is a beautiful little machine. So if you have any questions or comments or feedback, just let me know in the comment section down below.